Exercise 46. Write a program as follows. Has a function that receives a list as a parameter, finds and returns the highest and lowest values in the list. In the main program, print two statements, that is, the highest value is dash and the lowest value is that. Okay, so let's do that. So we can use the max function to find the highest value. Oops, sorry. And the min function to find the lowest. Then we return the two values. This exercise comes after learning about returning multiple values from a function. And we could have done this in one statement. We could have said return max my list, comma, min my list. So we could have had all this in this one statement. But this is clearer in my opinion. So we can put those values in two variables. And of course we need to have the list existing. Let's copy these two statements. So that should do. You can try it. The highest value is 6543, the lowest is 7. Okay. Thank you for watching.